Well, I'm talking on the calcitonin, though it is produced by the thyroid glands, but the cells which are known as the parafollicular cells or C cells, one thing is it has got the functions which are entirely different from the T3 and T4. And you're looking here, the principal cells which are lining, well, the follicles, they're the principal cells. Then this is a colloid. Colloid is the gel-like material having the thyroglobulin. And you should be very much clear that T3 and T4, I used to say, they are being generated and they are formed in the lap of the thyroglobulin, because that is the iodination is there, and then T3 and T4, they are formed in the lap of the thyroglobulin. But see in this case, these are the parafollicular cells which are produce the calcitonin. And calcitonin, as the name depicts, C stands for calcium and C stands for the calcitonin. So they have got a relation that calcitonin is responsible for the metabolism of the calcium and phosphate. And one should be very much clear, it has got entirely different effects than that of the parathyroid hormones, PTH. Parafollicular cells are also known as the C cells. Yes, calcitonin participates in calcium and phosphate metabolism in many ways. It counteracts parathyroid hormone and vitamin D. More specifically, calcitonin lowers the blood calcium in two ways. But PTH causes the increase in the blood calcium level. Well, it affects the calcium level in two ways. Major effect, it inhibits the osteoclastic activity in bones, which break down the bone. It inhibits the osteoclast activity. It means the breakdown of the bone is halted. And minor effects, it inhibits renal tubular cell reabsorption of the calcium and phosphate, allowing them to be excreted in the urine. You're looking here, this is the thyroid gland, lobes, isthmus, calcitonin, well, is being produced by the parafollicular cells. Well, effects, it comes, lowers calcium level in blood, lower calcium level in blood. Then, on the GIT, inhibits calcium absorption by the intestines, inhibits calcium resorption in the kidney, excreted in the urine, promotes deposition of calcium into bones, inhibits osteoclast and stimulates the osteoblast. Well, this slide is very much elaborative for the function of the calcitonin, and you must see it again and again. What are the effects of the calcitonin on the various systems, various organs? Yes, this lecture has been taken by the Guyton and Hall, the textbook of medical physiology, and then Genong's review of the medical physiology, and then the essentials of the medical physiology by legendary professors of the physiology, who is the teacher of teachers, and may God bless him with a long life, present in Multan, and a great personality. So, my dear students, hope you all understood it well, and stay blessed and safe. Thank you very much.